Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. It's Scotty Guns bringing you friend mail that I've received from the fabulous Sweet Day for Shopping here on YouTube and Instagram, Deborah. Girl, I am in love with this pocket letter that you sent me. I absolutely was like, oh, no she didn't. She completely surprised me and sent me a beautiful pocket letter. I'm in love with it. Look at the trimming that she used, guys, on the side with the hearts. Beautiful washi in the background. And look at what she made on the side. How adorable is that? Love the paper she used. Oh my god, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the little details, the stickers and the owls and the birds, the lock and key. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you for this beautiful little notepad. Definitely going to make use of that. These lovely pencils. Gonna definitely use that in my craft station. And we flip it around towards the back. Oh my god. Look how beautiful. She gave me some mini clips in pink, which I definitely needed. And then the heart stickers. Oh, these are a must. And guys, you can use this all year round. Oh my god. And look at the embellishments that she gave me. Those are beautiful. Look at these. Oh my god. And then I believe these are tags. Yeah, she gave me some tags and stickers below. She gave me a big cupcake sticker. How cute is that? A mini tassel. Oh my god, this is super cute. And a cupcake sticker. And some candy. Absolutely love it. Definitely going to make some use of all of these goodies. Girl, I absolutely love this pocket letter. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule, because I know it's just been crazy lately, but crazy filled with joy, happiness, and a new journey that you are on. I wish you many, many, many blessings, and I thank you for thinking of me. Guys, I hope you love this video, and just make sure that you like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, please do so, and join my group of fabulous, fantastic, creative, talented friends. Till next time, guys, have a great weekend. Bye.